Alright, now we're down here at the Ford event down in San Antonio, downtown, at the Pearl. They have a bunch of the Ford Lightning trucks down here for in honor of production starting. So we're gonna go check them out. So this is the Lightning Pro. I think this one starts at like $49.50. But this is the... Oh, it smells so good. It's pretty neat. Got the... Let's look at the payload on this guy. 2,100 pounds. That's a lot. Not available. I want to say it's $49.50 for this. But the thing I like is that you have the regular outlets right here. The actual battery right there. Hangers right here. I want to know what's in here. Toolkit. There's one that's supposed to do, it's the charger. There's one that's supposed to be like an ice chest, I think. That's cool. That's about the on. Is it really? Yeah. Oh yeah. This is a red one. Yeah, I think this is an XLT or Lariat, I don't know. Can't really tell the difference. Yeah, it's all independent. Yeah, that's where they're made. It's crazy the ground clearance. It's so low.
Look at those fucking control arms. That's massive.
Crazy.
This one with a regular interior, not this gray crap.
I don't know, I don't like the gray. I do like the little American flag right there, yeah.
Oh yeah, I didn't even know.
And I like this screen better, the 12-inch screen. It's what comes in like the Platinum trucks now.
It's cleaner.
It is cleaner. But this one actually has the full-on lunch mode. That's pretty cool. I'm assuming we can get in them. They're open. Feels like a normal truck. Okay, these seats are actually pretty comfortable.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice back here.
Should just be a regular F-150 in the rear.
Oh, look at the door handle.
Yeah. Cup holder right here. It's cool.
Yeah, it's very regular style.
Yeah.
Like inside of it.
It's very chill.
What horsepowers do these have?
It's the XLT. They have, I want to say like 500, 600, 700. It's a lot.
They weigh a lot.
They weigh, let's check the payload on this guy. So, 1,900 pounds. It weighs 85.50. 9,000 pounds.
That's heavy.
That's heavy. I like this. I could put so much stuff in there.
A rifle.
No, it wouldn't fit in there. But it's so simple. Golf clubs. That's what it says right there.
Okay.
I like how easy this is to get into, you know what I mean? That's pretty cool. So now this is a Lariat. This is a Lariat. I still don't like the gray or this screen. This is the screen from the Mach E. I love the moonroof though.
Oh shit. Try to put it back.
I don't know if it'll let me. There's no key in it. It won't let me. But it's super cool. My next truck, I need it to have a moonroof. I don't care what it is. It's gotta have a moonroof. That's cool. You got the cameras right here, bed light, trunk open, bed open. I'm sure these close. The foot adjust. It's got the full lunch mode. That's cool. Wireless charger. It's pretty neat. The way this contours is very smooth. It's weird. Used to there being a hard line. Payload on this one, 1,700 pounds. This one weighs the same. A little bit more. That's crazy how each trim, how that, whatever that one was, the silver one,
Yeah.
had a payload of like 2,200 pounds. And then this red one over here, whatever it has in it, dropped it by like 300 pounds. And whatever this one has, dropped it by more. They are, but how much extra added weight you get.
I like this thing.
I do too. I like the black.
Me too.
Black with the,
Like
the blue. Yeah, they're all pretty sick. This is another Pro. Oh my god. It's got the plastic floor. I really like this screen. That's all cool. That's sick.
That's pretty cool too.
Yeah.
Navigation.
Trip energy. It went 47 miles. The route took 21% of the battery. Climate took 24%. Accessories 53. I guess that's for the whole
Well, they
trip.
got that whole TV setup on it,
Yeah, that's true.
supposedly.
Yeah, I know. That's kind of cool though. The thing that sucks is the 170 mile range right there.
This steering wheel's kind of cocked up, bro.
This is the cheapest one they make.
This is the Pro, though.
It's the cheap one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like it doesn't even have lunch mode. Doesn't have anything.
Hey, do you guys know where they keep the batteries on it? What do you think?
Honestly, they look really cool. I'm
Super
not
nice.
the biggest fan of the huge screen.
Okay. It's
I
not
like-
for everybody.
I like the other one.
Right, the ones that stop right about here.
Yeah, the
So-
one, those come in like the new Platinums, right?
This is actually the same screen that's in the Platinum,
Mhm.
but normally with the XLT and the Lariat, they stop right about here. So
Yeah.
this is the better one, if you would.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is an option. You could change that if that's the only thing you don't like about the truck.
I think that's it. Yeah.
So I'm gonna pop it in reverse here. That's gonna show you the 360 cameras we got built in, our obstacle detection system we got built in,
Oh, wow.
and then after that, I'm gonna show you what all this power does. So this truck has about 770 foot-pounds of torque to it. We'll do 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. So pretty quick for a big, heavy truck, right?
Yeah.
Launch mode.
All right, well, let's see what it does.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little bit quicker than you thought it was gonna be, right?
Yeah.
Everybody hears electric truck and they're like, oh, it's slow. No way.
Well, I test drove the Model Y Performance
Uh-huh.
a while back, and that was pretty quick too.
Yeah. I mean, electric cars are just getting crazy nowadays.
Yeah.
And to think this is just a working man's truck, it's not a performance vehicle or anything.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's still lightning, but this is gonna be every working dude's truck right here.
Mhm.
It's got a lot of cool features to it, and we'll still get about 300 miles to a fully charged battery.
That's the only thing that I'm not the other. That's another thing I'm not the biggest fan of.
Yeah.
Because like the truck I have now, I can get like almost 750 miles out of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What are you driving now?
I have an eco diesel.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah, so like when we go to Florida, I can
Oh, yeah.
go from Texas to Florida in one thing.
I got you. Yeah, that must be super, super nice to get. I think the technology is going to keep growing.
Yeah.
It's still kind of young, man, but I mean, leaps and bounds, you know?
Yeah.
All right,
Well,
guys.
thank you, bro.
Have a good one.
You too. Have a good one, boss. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's a wrap at the Ford Lightning booth. Not much to check out, but it was cool to actually see the trucks and ride in them and put my hands on them. So, good to see that they're a normal truck on the inside and just electric on the out. The price on the one I want, $90,000, kind of steep. Probably not gonna get one. Most definitely not gonna get one. So, oh well. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you thought of it, and feel free to subscribe. Later.